Yo, say what up to the vlog out there, everybody. Say what up, say what up, say what up. Ray Rice. Yeah, I'm finna Ray Rice. Gang,
gang, gang, gang, gang. Bang bong.
Get out! Why you interrupting the vlog stream? Man, y'all say what up to the vlog. This is going on vlogmas today, you know what I mean? I got a bunch of yurs in the chat. That's what's up. I'm finna make a Fred, give this to somebody. Come on, man. It's Christmas. People ain't got, you know what I mean? It's the...
I got one in the living room. Might put this next to my PC.
What are you saying?
He gonna put it next to his $5,000 PC. Yeah. Duh, Fred, you gotta give it to the people, bro. I'm 4 minutes late. This is not that bad. This is bubble 9, bro. Okay, I know people call me Haitian, bro. What? What happened?
I don't know.
My what? It's probably because your ass is in it.
Gross. It's you.
You're on the same. We're on the same watch.
I don't have it on, Percy.
Stop yelling at me. I get sensitive. Yelling at me. All right, it's 12:10. Is everyone in here? Everyone, y'all can. We're good. I don't know if everything is good.
Hey, look at Travis.
Where Travis at? Patty. Travis. I'm gonna punch Travis in his face too. All these drugs on my Instagram. Travis, I'm a knock you. Stop!
Okay,
Jesus Christ! You're hilarious. All right, y'all ready? Let's do it. First place winner of the PS5 or $550 goes to, let's spin it. Oh, shit! Winner is, holy shit, Fred won. Holy shit. Holy shit. I swear they're gonna think this is real. What the fuck? Oh my God. They're gonna have to, nah.
I'm calling him, but I don't have his number.
Oh Lord, bruh. Dog.
Hey,
Fred, you won, dog. I swear to God. Bro, I clicked shuffle like a million times. And then, bro, you literally won, dog. This is not fair, bro. This ain't fair. Now live. All right. At Fred's house, open up his PS5.
You call it puss in a bag. You can't buy puss in a bag.
Here you go. New business cards, 2022. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. All right, now let's go take this PS5 to Fred's house. All right, I'm sitting passenger seat today. Thank God I got a break. Thank you. She's mad at that she has to drive her own car. Y'all know the vibes. Today seems like a beautiful day to take out the Integra. I miss driving my car. I think I'm gonna do a video of her driving the Integra. That should do great numbers. Great numbers. So, that should be soon. What's up, little Fred? Hey, where you going? Where you going, girl? Pulled up to Fred's brib. You hear me? Look at that man. Fred should be an inspirational story to all y'all. Quit y'all jobs today, win the PS5 hours later. You hear me? You know what I mean?
Oh, box is kind of beat up.
Box is beat up. Look at the bottom of it on the other side, right there.
God damn.
That's how I bought it. Hold it. What it smell like? I wish I used to play basketball with my dad.
Thank you.
Damn.
I need one more.
I never had this growing up. I ain't never seen Fred move that fast.
What?
Oh. So what you gonna do with that thing, my boy? You gonna keep it? Or you gonna give it to JJ?
JJ already got a PS5.
I already got a PS5.
Oh, you got him the PS5?
I got the household of PS5.
Oh. I ain't never have a dad buy me a PS5 or the household.
Oh man.
How's it feel, bruh?
To win something
Yeah, bruh.
feels great.
That's
Still
it.
doesn't
dog.
amount to all the money I spent.
Facts. But it goes to show, you feel me? I'm glad, like, it's crazy. Because every time I do a raffle or something, Fred always, like, buys in it. I woke up this morning, Fred had 5 spots. I'm like, what the hell?
At 5 o'clock this morning.
5 o'clock this morning, Fred ended up buying raffles while he had the job.
That's when I seen the post.
And now he got it.
Damn, boss kind of chopper, dog.
As long as the system is fine, you're good.
Yeah. Man, you want to low key open it, man.
Open it.
Yeah, you know what? Bring me open it.
That boy done got him a PS5, boy.
I have to spend on the raffle though, man.
$100.
Whole yard, yeah. I normally just buy one spot. I'm like, you know what, man? $20, 100 spots. If I get 5 spots, then my chances is high.
Yeah, it was high.
And everybody else be doing like 1,200 spots.
Yeah.
Come to these cars, 1,200, 1,500 spots. Man, you be stuck, bro.
Yeah, plus like the chance.
Trying to hit the lotto, bitch.
Yeah, so I try to do it now way where like it's 100 spots and there's 5 winners. So that increased the chances by a lot. Somebody got $50 for that they entered or whatever the case was. So they made their $20 back plus like $30 extra. Maybe it's just somebody for gas or something like that. Do something nice with somebody. But yeah, I think Fred gonna raffle his off too. The one he just won. He already bought one. He bought one like a couple days ago. Just like me, I bought one a couple days ago. Ended up buying one on Market. Like, I'm gonna do like a raffle or whatever.
Mine's directly from Sony.
Yeah, you got yours from Sony. You got lucky.
I ain't paid no
You ain't paid resale. Yeah, I paid resale for mine.
I refuse to pay more than what that big cost.
My other PS5, that the first one that I bought, I paid $600 plus shipping. It was like $640, $50-ish, something like that to ship it. So I was like, it is what it is. But yeah, that's it. Fred got a whole new setup out here. Boy got another PS5 just chilling. Fred the goat. That boy got damn, bro, I'm borrowed battery. Why are you looking like that, Jess? Oh, I could have turned in there.
You recording, bro?
Yeah, I recorded.
Oh.
Jess is going back to his new job. Where your new job at, Jess? Let the people know what you got going on.
And working at an ice cream shop now.
I've been told you at an ice cream shop though. Ice cream shop is a good job.
This is my
fifth job in 6 months.
Fourth job in a year. Don't tell anybody though. But yeah.
You should work at a pizza spot next though.
Pizza?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm leaving. I don't think I'm leaving this ice cream shop for a while.
Wow, you like it?
Yeah, and then a lot of my friends from school work here, so it's kind of, and it's pretty easy.
What you gotta do?
It's like Dunkin', but you just make ice cream for real. Smoothies just the same. Smoothies are 10 times easier. It's just that when people order pistachio ice cream with cotton candy with gummy worms and roasted almonds and it ain't it. But yeah, it's pretty easy. Y'all should come in. Trust me.
Where is it at? Cold Stone. You don't know what you got like in Jensen.
Yeah. No, it's right here. Yeah, you going to my
They don't know that, fool.
Oh yeah. Cold Stone and Jensen Beach though. Not the one in
Tradition?
Yeah.
There's one in Tradition. But Tradition's nowhere near Jensen.
A Jensen though. But it's real good. Y'all niggas have not came in yet to see nothing.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
I've been there before.
Yeah, but I'm talking about when
I'm
I was working.
I can't be eating that. I can't be drinking milkshakes like that like I used to.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, I'm on a caloric deficit.
What is that?
Where you don't intake a lot of calories and you work out, but you eat more protein. So more protein, less saturated fats. Work out, it'll build your fatness and to make it to lean muscle.
Oh, cause
so they say. I'm on day 2.
Oh, cause I was gonna say we got this Oreo overload milkshake. It's good, bro.
Is it free? Go make me a free one.
Boy, you gotta come inside to get all that. But alright, y'all.
We are back home. It's kind of late. It's like 11 o'clock right now. Girl's already sleeping, so I gotta keep it low. But my PS5 came in the mail today. So this is actually mine. The one I raffled away today was when I bought, well, it was mine too, but this is my first original one. This comes from the homie J Papas on Instagram, Papas DC5. He looked out for me big time. He sold me this for like basically retail. So Jay, I appreciate you, bro. Thank you for looking out. He was actually trying to help me get a PS5 for a minute now, bro. Like, he was sending me links, like he was being a real a PS5 home bizzle, you feel me? So I appreciate you, bro. Let me go ahead and get this unboxed, because I never unboxed a PS5 before. So hey, you know what I mean? Let's do it together, right? We do everything else together. My PS5 is finally here. Believe it or not, this is how they ship it from Walmart. Isn't that crazy? He scored this from Walmart. Now, I'm pretty sure somebody has already commented that this was a scam, that I was trying to run a scam. And anyone who truly knows me, no, bro, I'm not greedy. Why would I need to run a scam? Like, it's crazy that we live in a generation now where if your friends actually support you and buy into what you're doing and they get something in return, it's considered rigged, a scam. You guys saw the whole entire live stream. If you haven't, and you entered and you haven't saw the live stream, be sure to go to my Instagram and click on like the Instagram live section. It's like the third tab from my profile. So be sure to watch that, and then you can, I guess, decide if I rigged it or scammed. So, like, it's just crazy, bro. Like, if your friends support you and they win something, it's a bad. Like, what if I was raffling off an RSX and then Randy, Fred, like all my homies actually bought spots to show that they support me and one of them won? Is it wrong? Like, I don't know. It's weird. But it is what it is. I try to, you know, do something nice out of the kindness of my heart to, you know, to invest in something, to give more than what I put into, you know what I mean? Like, people was like, oh, bro, you trying to profit off us, you trying to do this and that and the third, but no one ever bats an eye when content creators give away cars, but they're pocketing like 90 grand profit off a $6,000 car. I guess when they see me trying to come up the way how these people are coming up, it's, I don't know, it's just, that's how it's always been for me. Whenever I try to do something nice to give back to people in a way where like I'm being benefited, this person is being benefited, this person, like I did 7 winners of today's giveaway, you know what I mean? Like, who's doing that? Like, it is what it is. I'm just glad that I'm able to do stuff like that for the people that truly deserve it. I'm just glad I was able to do something for this holiday season. I hope, you know, you guys truly do continue to support me, so next year I can give away something where you don't have to enter for free. I mean, enter with like a payment. You could just, if you support me, you get it. You know, like I have like a program where, you know, I want to support those who support me, so I want to be able to give away things to people that truly support me, to the fact where I was able to get that. You get what I'm saying? Like, it is what it is. I'm not gonna ramble on too long. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like on the video. This is day something of vlogmas. I missed 3 days out of 23 so far, so I've been on my grind. I'm uploading every day. I film every day and I upload the same day, so it takes a lot of time for my partner and things, you know what I mean? It is what it is, but you know, you gotta get the bag, bro. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your time. Merry Christmas Eve. If I don't upload if I don't upload Christmas Eve, then I'll see you guys Christmas. Thank you, man. I really appreciate y'all. I love y'all, and I'll be sure to catch y'all in the next one. I am out. Peace.